Good afternoon. Father's Day is coming up fast. If you're looking for a gift Dad will actually use, Lowe's has some surprisingly good options under $25. I've selected 10 that I would personally like to have and or already have, so I know they'd make great gifts. These are under $25, some are under $10. Should be able to hit most any budget. Number 10 is a Craftsman hook and pick set. For less than $9, the Craftsman hook and pick set is a handy addition to any toolbox. If you've ever needed to remove O-rings, clips, seals, electrical connectors, or just fish something out of a tight spot, these little tools earn their keep quickly. This isn't the kind of tool you use every day, but when you need it, nothing else seems to work, so you're going to be glad that you have it. Coming in at number 9, the Kobalt 25-foot tape measure. And of course, everybody says, oh, tape measure, tape measure. Not really. Every dad needs a good tape measure. And this Kobalt self-locking model is under $10. The self-locking feature keeps the blade from retracting unexpectedly, making measurements easier when you're working alone. Whether it's a do-it-yourself project, home repair, or just proving that a piece of furniture won't fit in the truck, a tape measure always comes in handy, so Dad will appreciate it. Number 8, the Fleming Supply bungee cord set. This is another one of those items you got to replace periodically because they deteriorate. And for $9.54, you can have you a nice set right here. These adjustable bungee cords might not be exciting, but they're incredibly useful. They're perfect for securing loads in a truck bed, tying down items on a trailer, organizing extension cords, and keeping things from sliding around in the garage. It's one of those gifts that Dad may not have asked for, but will probably use all year long. Coming in at number 7 is the Craftsman claw hammer. Everybody needs good hammers. And in my case, I can't have too many, so I don't think your dad would either. Every toolbox needs a good solid hammer. The Craftsman 16-ounce fiberglass handle claw hammer is comfortable to use and durable enough for most household projects. Whether it's hanging pictures, building something in the shop, or convincing a stubborn project to cooperate, a good hammer is really hard to beat. Next, let's look at the Kobalt magnetic screwdriver set. It's coming in at $14.98, quite a bargain. This is a 10-piece Kobalt screwdriver set is another practical choice. You get a variety of common sizes, magnetic tips, and comfortable handles. Screwdrivers are one of those things that seem to disappear over time, so having a fresh set around is never a bad thing, or having them in multiple spots in my case. Next, let's look at the Carhartt heavyweight t-shirts. If your dad's like me, he's going to like these heavyweight t-shirts when he's doing projects. They're very durable, they're tough, they're not so thin that you can see through them. Very nice fabric, $14.99, what a bargain. The Carhartt heavyweight t-shirt is built tougher than your average shirt, and it tends to hold up well after washings. I've had some for 3 years, and except for maybe some bleach stains or some gasoline or some oil stains, they're still holding up. I still wear them. If your dad works outside, tinkers in the garage, or simply appreciates comfortable clothing, this is a very solid option for him. Not to be outdone by Harbor Freight, Kobalt has a mini toolbox, and they have it on sale for $16.98. So we're getting into one of my favorite picks. I actually have these boxes. They're wonderful. This little Kobalt mini toolbox becomes surprisingly popular. It's perfect for storing small hand tools, pocket knives, flashlights, hobby supplies, or even desk items. Let's be honest, you can use it for whatever you want. And it looks cool sitting on your workbench or wherever you have it sitting. At number 3, we have Craftsman's VersaStack socket set. This is a great value right now. This is the SAE and metric, and it may be the best deal in the entire video. For $20, you're getting a Craftsman socket set, and it has both, as I said, SAE and metric. Whether Dad works on vehicles, lawn equipment, bicycles, general repairs around the house, a socket set is one of the most full tool collections you can own. And it doesn't hurt to have multiples. This set is small enough to fit in the glove box, under the seat, in the garage, in the basement. So having multiple sets keeps you from having to make extra steps when you're needing a tool. My number 2 pick was the Kobalt rechargeable work light, coming in at $21.98. Every time I work under a sink, under a vehicle, or in a dark corner of the garage, I find myself looking for more light. The rechargeable Kobalt work light puts out 600 lumens and can be used just about anywhere. It's compact, it's rechargeable, and it's something that most do-it-yourselfers will appreciate, and I'm sure your dad will love it. My number one dad's choice would be the entire list. It would be that VersaStack socket set. For 20 bucks, you're getting a recognizable brand, useful tools, and something most dads can put to work immediately. But I have to admit that mini toolbox, as I said, I have some and I wouldn't mind having more. So if I got it for a gift, that'd be great. I hope you've enjoyed these few items, and if it helps you on your last minute Father's Day shopping, please give me a like or subscribe so I can continue putting out this kind of video. And until the next one, y'all take care.